Hello everybody, I'm doing an unboxing video. I got this box from the watercolor place that I usually buy my watercolors from on Etsy. I have no idea how it ended up here. It just showed up one day. I did not order it. I have no idea what's in it, so let's have a look. I did take the tape off and my address off though, so I have not opened it other than this though, so let's have a look what's in there. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do this. I was right. Okay, so to be, which is me, from, and this is my friend Sid. Sid, you rascal. What? What? Okay, so I don't know if you can read this, but if what's on here is in there, I'm kind of at a loss for words right now. It's the advent calendar, the watercolor. Okay. Hold on. Sid, you're crazy. Oh my God. Okay. I'm kind of a little speechless right now. Okay, so let's just see. Oh, it's a lotion bar. Oh. Oh, and there's watercolors. Oh my God, I want to cry. Oh, that smells really good. Oh, that smells really, really good. It's sort of an orangey. Oh my God, I think I'm shaking. It's sort of an orangey scent. That is really, really nice. I like that a lot. That is so cool. Okay. I think I'm shaking. It's okay. I can't even. Okay, hold on. There we go. There we go. There we go. These are the watercolors. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's see if I can open this. Whoop. Oh, more stuff falling out. Oh, this is the watercolor shop that this is from. Let me just put it up. Addison and Cedric. Really great watercolors. I absolutely love all the paint I have gotten from this shop. And the owner is just such a sweet person. Such a sweet person. Oh my God, Sid. Oh, look. Squirrel. Oh, and more stickers. What's this? Holiday berries. Oh, look, they're watercolors. Hold on. Gotta get them out. Oh, they're in a snowflake. How pretty is that? Oh. Gonna have to try those out in a bit. Look at that purple, that's pretty. Oh, and that green. Oh, that is so pretty. That is so pretty. Oh, it's watercolor paper, so I can try it out actually. And an ornament. That's fun. And oh, cute washi tape. And a pencil. That's great. I always love those pre-printed cards to do the color swatches. Just makes it so much easier. And these are, oh, these are the watercolors, I think, on little cards. Neep. Let's open this. Come on out. Oh no, this is something else. What is this? Oh, they're little tiny things to... I love this one. I don't know if you can even see these. Oh, that's so cute. Lists. Oh, look at the bird. Pulitzer. Eva. I might have to give this to my friend Eva. Houdini. Alpaca. Andes. Machu Picchu. Oh my god, chinchillas. I'm not sure. Gouda. Oh, Van Gogh. Utrecht. Stroopwafel. I've had stroopwafels before. They're not my favorites. Oh, this is cool. Like little... Ooh, let's put this over there. I think I'll put this back in here. That's pretty. Little box and everything. What's this? There's something else in here. Oh wow, look, so pretty. Another little ornament with a butterfly on it. So pretty. Let's pop this over here as well. And another big box. Oh, that's pretty. Look at this. Let's open this up. So exciting. Oh, these are all the watercolors. Oh, and how to open them. They have all like numbers on them so I know which day to open them. Oh my god. And there's 2 more in here. I think I'm shaking. Oh my god, this is so freaking cool. You have no idea. I mean, look at it. I just want to open them all. But now I have to wait again. I already had to wait until Halloween because it came a couple of days before Halloween. And now I have to wait again. Oh my god, Sid, you are insane. What's in here? Let's see. There is, oh, a little water pipette in here. I mean, I'll put that down there. Let's see. What else is in here? Oh, some Christmas tea. Aw, sadly it's black tea, so I can't really drink it because I'm off caffeine right now. But dark chocolate, I can drink this. Aww. I can use the tea to paint with, though. Okay, there's another bag in here. What is this? What's in here? Let's see. Oh, more little things to try out the paints. Oh, look at those. They're so cute. Little trees. And a little squirrel or chipmunk. And some birds. I will have to make these into yellow cardinals. Those are the ones that I have out there in the tree in front of my window. And oh my god, I love this one. Oh, that's pretty. Look at the little house with the wreath. And, oh, see, he has to wait too. How cute is that? And, oh, there's something else in there, so let's see what this is. Oh my god, it's the, oh my god. I will have to read this later. That's a lot to read. I can read that right now. Oh, that's the pigment information. Ah, brilliant. Oh, wow. I'm completely speechless. I'm floored. I'm floored. I'm floored. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all these beautiful colors. Okay. Breathe. I have no words. I don't know. Thank you doesn't even. No, thank you is not enough. I honestly don't know what to say. Thank you definitely is not enough. But thank you.